So our water in our room is ready. They all run the same temperature. And we put our water, we put our glycerin. They're reading it like 178, 170, 178. I'm gonna mix. So mix this up. So now we're gonna pour our water and our oils. Yay! We did a thing. Okay, so that's part of it. Now we are going to get our stick blender and blend the crap out of it because we have to make sure it emulsifies and doesn't separate. Oh, y'all. Oh, I forgot to record the first part. This is what it looks like now. Oh my gosh. I forgot to add the good part. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna let that. Let's see our mixture reads. And okay, so it's reading up 116. Now, that's 60 degrees cooler. We are looking all the stuff. Now we are going to add our other pings. Oh. Okay, so that's good. Let's take that off. And just mix this in here. Just so I can hit the stuff off the spatula. I really just let this cool down. And hopefully we have a nice, pretty lotion. If not, it'll be a fail. It will see. But I have faith. Y'all, I rewatched the clip for making the lotion. And I basically kind of skipped a step. I wasn't supposed to put in our preservatives and stuff yet until after it kind of thickened up and cooled down. And I was supposed to keep going. This is now 97, and it's thickened up a little. Hope it thickens up some more. I don't have any beeswax to try to fix my screw up. I can try to look to see if I have some. I might have used it all in my soap, but this definitely looks a little bit thicker, but not as much. So we're gonna keep just blending it. Hoping